If you own a WooCommerce store and use Printify, you need to watch this video. Printify has released a new feature to comply with the GPSR, General Product Safety Regulation. When selling to European countries, you must include specific information in your product, such as contact details, product description, and warranty information. As a store owner, you are responsible for ensuring this information is included for every product in your store. First, let's look at where this option is in the Printify product creation process. After you create the design and choose the images for the product, you'll reach the page where you add selling information like the title, description, and pricing. Under the description section, you will see a new button. When you click on it, the required information for that product is added to the description. If you click it again, it will duplicate the information, so make sure to click it only once. If you already have products you published, go to your store products on Printify and click on each one individually. This will take you directly to the editing page. There you can click the button under the description to add the required information. To update the product on your website, scroll to the bottom of the page, click Update Description, and then click Publish. This will update the product description on your website. If you want to see how to do it automatically, you can watch this video.